Good day, ma'am. I am the first reporter and my name is Helen Grace Ibrahim.
And I'm second reporter. My name is Intunji Sadi.
And I am the third reporter and I am Princess Ellen Riverona.
And I am fourth reporter. My name is Oscar Gregory Primo.
We are the Group 7 reporter and we are assigned to discuss our topic which is all about information age. So when we say information age, it is a period characterized by a rapid development and adaptation of technologies, and this period is in the 20th century and still continues today. So, German goldsmith Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in the mid-15th century. So this invention was a result of finding a way to improve manual, tedious, and slow printing method. So, German goldsmith Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press para ang mga tao noon is ang mapadali ang kanilang pamumuhay. And so imagine, gumawa ka ng isang libro or document. So, sa pamamagitan ng iyong kamay or, di ba, kung gumawa ka ng isang document or libro, kung isusulat mo lang ito is, ang iyong ginagawa is hindi mapapadali. So, Gutenberg is invented the printing press para ang mga tao is mabilis ang kanilang mga ginagawa. So, this is the example of the printing press and ito yung ginamit ni Johannes Gutenberg na movable type. And why Gutenberg invented this printing press? So, in the 15th century, there was a growing demand for books. So Gutenberg is ang gihimo niya ini para ang paghimo sang libro dati is ang mapadali. And next is so later the two inventions were combined to make printing methods faster and they drastically reduced the cost of printing documents. So, the development of a fast and easy way of disseminating information in print permanently reformed the structure of society with the rise of the printing process. The printing revolution occurred with illustrated the tremendous social change brought by the wide circulation of information. So, as the year progressed, calculations became involved in communication due to the rapid development in the trade sector. Back then, people who compiled factorial tables and did engineering calculations served as computers. So, diri na nag-evolve ang computers. So, next is the Harvard Mark I, a general-purpose chemical computer that was 50 feet long and capable of doing calculations in seconds that usually took people hours. So, Harvard Mark I is known as the IBM or Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculating. It is a electrochemical computer developed during the World War II. And also, the Harvard Mark I is developed by Howard Aiken.
Alan Turing, an English mathematician, was hired in 1936 by the British government board when he first called at Bletchley to break the Enigma code. His code-breaking methods became an industrial practice, having 12,000 people working 24/7. So who is Alan Turing? Alan Turing, the genius behind the curtain pulling strings that would change the course of history. He was a British mathematician, computer scientist, musician, philosopher, and great analyst. Turing would change the side of the Allies' invented boundary, an electromechanical machine that enabled the British to decipher encrypted messages of the German Enigma machine. This contribution of Turing, along with other technologies, to attend the Worldwide Careers Monroe 2012. Release paper on computable numbers with an application to the HC those problem first published in 1937. Turing presented a theoretical machine called the Turing machine that can solve any problem from simple instructions encoded on a paper. So, pag sinabi kong all computable numbers, ito is a seminal paper written by Alan Turing in 1936. It is a published work in the field on computer science, mathematics, and logic. The paper introduced several groundbreaking concepts that would shape the course of modern computing. So, ang Turing machine naman ay a basic concept that revolutionize our understanding of computation. He also demonstrated the simulation of the Turing machine to construct a single universal machine. So what is universal machine? The universal machine is a concept that showcases the incredible versatility of Turing machine. In the 1970s, the generation who witnessed the dawn of the computer age was described as the generation with electronic brains. The people of this generation were the first to be introduced to personal computers, PCs. So what is electronic brain? Electronic brain is a term that was once used to describe the revolutionary machine that were going to change the world in the mid-20th century. The term electronic brain was coined to describe the first electronic.
Good day, ma'am. I am Princess Ellen May Vivarana, and this is my report. The Homebrew Computer Club, an early computer hobbyist group gathered regularly into a group to trade parts of computer hardware and talk about how to make computers more accessible to everyone. So the Homebrew Computer Club was an early computer hobbyist group in Menlo Park, California, which met from March 1975 to December 1986. So the Homebrew Computer Club's spirit of innovation and collaboration continues to inspire new generation of tech enthusiasts. Its legacy can be seen in the many successful companies and products that emerge from its ranks, shaping the modern technology landscape. In 1976, Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple Inc., developed the computer that made him famous. The Apple I. Wozniak designed the operating system, hardware, and circuit board of the computer all by himself. So, Steve Wozniak, also known as Woz, is a renowned American technology entrepreneur, electrical engineer, and computer program, born on August 11, 1950 in San Jose, California. He is best known for co-founding Apple Computer with Steve Jobs in 1976. Steve Jobs, Wozniak's friends, suggest to sell the Apple I as a fully assembled printed circuit board. This jump started their career as founders of Apple Inc. So, who is Steve Jobs? So, Steve Jobs was a visionary entrepreneur, inventor, and designer who founded Apple Inc. and Pixar Animation Studios. Born on February 24, 1955 in San Francisco, California, Hobbs adopted by Paul and Clara Hobbs, a machinist and bookkeeper, respectively. His biological parents, Joan Schiebel and Adolfata Handali, were both students at the University of Wisconsin.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Josué Oliver Alnermo. I am the last reporter. From 1973 onward, social media platforms were introduced. Proliferation of multi-user chat rooms and business-oriented social networking websites, blogging platform, image and video hosting website, discovery and dating-oriented websites, video sharing services. So, itong 1973 was a significant year in world history marked by major events in politics, economy, technology, and culture. Global events. Yom Kippur War. The Yom Kippur War broke out on October 6, 1973 when Egypt and Syria launched a surprise attack on Israel. Oil embargo. In response to the Yom Kippur War, Arab oil producing countries imposed an oil embargo on Western nations, leading to a global energy, politics, and economy. U.S. withdrawal from Vietnam. The Paris Peace Accords were signed in January 1973, officially ending the United States' involvement in the Vietnam War. Technology and culture. Computer advancement. 1972 saw a significant advancement in computer technology, including the development of the first microprocessor, music and film. The year 1973 was notable for iconic music release, which was Pink Floyd's The Dark Side of Moon and films like The Exorcist and American Graffiti. That's all. Thank you.